girls, it's Miss Jessie coming to you from my dining room table again for another STEM experiment. Today we're going to be doing a chemistry experiment where we're turning milk into plastic. And I know that since we're closed, we're not seeing each other and our friends in person. And I know that's not easy. But there are many ways that we can still stay connected through STEM and through this activity. You could FaceTime a friend and do this activity together. Or you could even send your finished product to a friend or family member in the mail to let them know that you're thinking about them. And you can also share it with Girls Inc. You can send it to our Facebook page or through email. So with that, let's do this activity. So what you'll need for this is you'll need a bowl, some paper towels, a strainer. I'm going to use a spoon, but you could use anything that you have to stir. 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, and then a cup of milk that goes in a microwave safe cup. I have it in a coffee or tea mug. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go and put the milk in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. I'm now going to pour in the 4 tablespoons of vinegar into the hot milk and start stirring. I'm going to stir for about 1 minute. So what's happening here is that the acid from the vinegar is breaking down the protein in the milk and creating little chunks. Okay, so that's been about 1 minute, and you can see there are some little chunks on the spoon. Now I'm going to get my bowl, put my strainer on top of it, and just pour that through. And as you can see, there are a lot of chunks there. I'm going to kind of use my spoon to move it around a little bit to get as much of that liquid out of there as possible. You can see I'm still getting a lot of liquid out of there. Okay, take away the bowl. And what I'm going to do is scoop that out. There's some on this side too. Just going to put my strainer over there. What I'm going to do is put these all together and just get the rest of that moisture out of there by patting down on it. And then while it's like this, you can shape it into any shape that you want. I'm just going to make like a little circle, and then you could either use food dye or you can wait until it's dry in about 2 days and use Sharpie on it to color it. So you could leave an inspirational message on here for someone or someone in your house. There are many ways to connect with people even though we may not be right next to each other. So I'm going to let that dry for 2 days and then I'll decorate it. So I'm going to let mine dry for 2 days and see how it looks at the end of that. But it's been so much fun doing another science experiment with you, and I hope you're staying safe and we miss you. Bye.